Hello and Merry Christmas. Today we're doing something quite different. We have the MacBook Neo in Indigo. It's finally here. Took it about like 2 weeks to get here. But hold on, let me put this in. Okay, never mind. But it's here now. So let's unbox it. Alright, let's flip it over. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is my first MacBook. Okay, here we go with the peel tabs. Oh, here's the other one. Nope. Here we go. Alright. Flip it. Okay, watch out, Cosmo. Okay, there we go. Here we go. I keep saying here we go a lot. Alright. Put that there for now. Here's the hello thing. Oh my god. Okay. First time. Oh, it's actually kind of thin. Look at that. It's kind of thin. Nice. Alright, I don't have room on my desk, so we're just going to put it here for now. And it's also got the charger and the charging brick and the charger and the manual, which I don't care about because there's no Apple stickers. So, all right, now for the computer itself, let's unwrap it. Oh, the aluminum feels so nice. Okay, be careful, not trying to break it. It actually really does feel kind of thin. Look at this. I got an indigo. Oh wow. All right, one finger open. Oh yes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Starting up. I got the Touch ID version too, because, you know, I don't like typing my passwords, so. Let me go, wait, I want to see watch the intro, so you can see my face. Give it a second. Ooh. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, let me go get the setup and I'll be right back. I absolutely love this screen too, it's like huge and it looks so nice. Alright, let's make a profile, so let me just put in my name and stuff, so give me a second. Alright, it's creating the account. Now let me just sign in. Okay, let me get the verification code, for God's sakes. Alright, let's agree to this. And agree. Give it a second. Actually, do I click anything else? I have no clue, everything's blank right now, so, okay, there we go. Setting up account. What's this? Enter the password. Oh, that's easy. Hold on, let me just put that in. There we go. Give it a second. You're taking your sweet old time, aren't you? That's okay. Right, use this most definitely, because I don't know any of my passwords. Okay. Match settings, perfect. Continue. Sure, I guess. I don't, everything. All this, I don't care. Okay, jeez. Continue. What's this now? Touch ID, okay, continue. Okay, now, okay, come down here. Boom. Boom. Give it a second. Okay, come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Okay, do it again. Nice and slow, because I want this thing to freak out. Alright, continue. Next. Okay, jeez. Now it's probably gonna ask for my card or something. Yep. Alright, and we're in. Let's go ahead and wait for this to do its thing. Alright, get started. And, oh my god, hurry up. Okay, there we go. Here we are. Here's all the apps. Look how beautiful they are. And just to show you about Mac, A18 Pro, 8GB of RAM. Perfect. And got all the features. Wow. Now I should compare it to something, but I sold all my Windows laptops, so we're just going to use a Chromebook. Whoa, this is not a fair test, but I'm going to do it anyways. Open the Chromebook. Give it a second. Give it a second. Okay, there we go. Alright, give that a second to start up. Okay, that was kind of fast. Alright, we're into the Chromebook. Now for the MacBook. Hello? Wake up. Okay, Touch ID. Boom, easy. What are we going to test? I have no clue. I haven't thought of that because Chromebooks can't do anything besides the fact that they have a touchscreen. I don't know what test to run, so we're just going to do a Geekbench, which I'm pretty sure I have to download. So let's hope not, but I'm going to assume we do. Alright, for the Mac, just click here, open it up, Now just wait. Okay. Open. Oh, agree. Uh, later. Hello. Oh, we got the spinning ball. Never seen that before, but that's fine. Alright. And we're just gonna close out of Safari, even though it's still open. But that's fine for now. So let's wait for the Chromebook. It's almost done. Right, Geekbench is ready on the Chromebook. Let's go ahead and run it. We'll give it a little bit of head start, and then press run on the MacBook Neo as well. So let's give it a minute. I don't even know what this is supposed to be doing. This is also has just this, so let's just give it a bit, I guess. Alright, here's a small update. The MacBook Neo has that, while the Chromebook has that. Oh, it just moved again, by the way. So, the MacBook Neo is almost done, while the Chromebook is only 50% done. I know this isn't a fair test, but I'm doing it anyways because I sold all my Windows laptops. So I really have nothing else to test this on except for a Chromebook. So, whatever, it's fine. We'll live. Look at the difference, though, with the keyboard from this purplish, whitish color to this gray keyboard. I personally like this a lot more. Oh, the Chromebook moved. That's cool. Alright, here's what the MacBook Neo got for single core, and here's what it got for multi-core. I don't know why the score is lower on here and higher on here. I'm not that smart with this stuff, but if we go down, I don't even know why it says Max 17.5. I don't really know what that means. But we have all the specs, we have the memory, and all the scores for everything. This got up to 5,000, everything else basically got 3,000, 4,000. This is for multi-core. It did so much better on multi-core for some reason, I don't know why. And update on the Chromebook, it's still going. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. But, yeah, I guess it's pretty cool how this works, but... While we wait for the Chromebook, let's install a charger for the MacBook. Alright, the charger is right here. Here's the brick. Let's go open it. Don't mind the switch. Get out of here, switch. No one likes you. I'm kidding. Okay, here we go with the peel. Oh, yeah. Here's the brick. Look at that. It's just a normal white brick. I don't know why I'm freaking out. I'm not. But anyways, here's the cord. Pull. There we go. Unwrap. Okay, even the other side. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's that big thing. And here's the very long cord. Hold on, let's try to unravel it. Oh, jeez. I gotta do this with one hand. Are you kidding me? Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. Now let's plug it into the brick. Hopefully, okay, yeah, it works. Come on, get in there. Yep, I heard a click. All right, now let's put it underneath my desk. All right, let's plug it in here. All right, it's in. Now we gotta wire this cord up there. Okay, jeez, there's the cord. There it is. I can't really grab it, but we're just gonna keep rattling it through. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. We got a cord right here. Set that down. Okay, it's just gonna do its thing, but whatever. And during that whole time, the Chromebook is still not done. For God's sakes, we're gonna be here for a while. Cool thing is, when you look at the manual, you can see it's literally color matched with the keyboard. It's just like 10 times more purple on here. But on here, it's like a hint of purple, which is kind of nice. I like that more than what's on here. It still looks cool on here, though. But anyways. Okay, the Chromebook is finally done, and this is what it got. It took that long, but yeah, that's the score. It's very low. Single core, it got 385, and multi-core, it got 576, which is low, but this is a Chromebook, so I don't know what you expect. Just shut this down now. There's one more test I want to run, and that's opening every app on the MacBook, which we're gonna do. So let's open up Finder, go to Applications, click App Store, and click Command A. I think that's the thing, right? Or is it Option A? Option A. Pretty sure it's Command A. Hold on, we'll just do it the old-fashioned way, maybe. I don't know. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we right-click. We right-click and press Open, and open. There we go. I mean, still running. It's not like slow right now. And it's still kind of smooth. Look at the animations. Still quite fast. There's applications. Look how many apps are open down here. All of them just jumping. Oh, we got the thingy. I don't know what it's called, but if you haven't, oh, I don't care about that. Okay. Oh, there's maps. This is fun. But also, no, I don't. Stop. Alright, sure. What's up, guys? You can see me now. Thanks, MacBook. You're awesome. Alright, so let's just close everything. Control Option Escape. Okay, and now same thing. Option A. No, Control Command A, and then force quit, and then force quit again, and just all collapse. And we're back to Mach 1. Alright. Well, that's gonna end it for this video. Thank you for watching. And this video is probably gonna be edited on the Neo, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.